This is absolutely spot on. It's been set up amazing. We've got movies, TV show, kids stuff. We've got sports, and sports, I know what it's like in Kodi. Sports doesn't really work well, but this has got loads of great channels, so check it out. It is absolutely spot on. You've also got a great live TV section, and for example, if you click on it, it actually tells you at the top in brackets if it's the most reliable, so you've got a good idea of where you can go to find the best streams. It's absolutely spot on, and I'm made up that I've seen it. These are just program files. Let's go past your settings. We've got apps in here, so if, for example, if you do click on apps, you're going to see all your apps in this type of setup, and it looks absolutely spot on. There's all the apps that we want there. All the most up-to-date apps, always getting updated. This now is just the add-ons part, and you can see these are all the most up-to-date, all the most recent add-ons. Absolutely spot on this. For all those people who think Kodi is dead, go and take your face for a hike. This is absolutely, truly amazing. There you go. If you want any type of section, for example, you just click on movies, and then it takes you straight to all the sections that will give you the best movies. And it's the same with TV shows and kids and sports. You just click on that section there, and then it brings up all the best places to find what it is that you want to watch. That's all I'm going to show you inside. If you want to download this amazing build, well, I'll go and show you how to do it now. So I've just restored my Kodi, so it's totally empty. The first thing you want to do is go to the cog in the top left hand corner. You're going to click on that cog. This is a fresh build of Kodi, so you click on the cog. The first thing you need to do on a fresh build, or when you've restored it, is go into system settings, and you need to go to add-ons here, and we just need to click on this unknown sources. We need to check this box, which will allow us to get add-ons that aren't officially from Kodi. So we just need to click on yes. Once we've done that, we can press back once, and we go to file manager. So this, we're going to add the source now, what you need. So click on file manager, and next we're going to click on add source. We're going to go to this box here where it says none. You're just going to click on there, and then you want to enter this exactly the way that you see it here, which is http://luxurywizard.space/luxury. Pause it here if you need to, but you need that exactly the same. Once done, press that OK button. Underneath it, it will call it luxury, so all we have to do is click on this OK button just here. Once you've done that, you'll see luxury in your list, but you're going to press back twice, which will bring you to here, and you want to click on add-ons on the left hand side. From here, you go to this box in the top left corner, and you want to go to install from zip file. Click on there, and then we want to go down to luxury. Click on that, and click on plugin program luxury wizard. Now you're going to click here, and then you're going to wait. This does actually take a couple of minutes, so I've just chopped a bit of this video out so it saves you getting bored to death. But yeah, you're going to wait for that notification. Once that happens, you get this little pop-up. Just click on dismiss, and then here it'll ask you, these are some settings you can save. I just tend to leave them all of the same, and then just press OK. Once you've done that, we want to click on build menu, and then this will open. So in here we've got two things, which are the ones at the bottom. If you want this one here, this is if you do have a Real-to-Bird account, so you click on this and this will install it. If not, you click on the bottom one, and that's if you don't have a Real-to-Bird account. So I don't, so I'm going to click on the bottom one, and then you're going to wait for it to load a second, and that'll take you through to this page. So again, at the bottom we've got two options. Do we want to do a fresh install, or do we want to do a standard install? A fresh install will delete anything that's on your box and just include this. A standard install will save over your original one. We just need to click on continue there, and then that will start to download. Again, this takes about 2-3 minutes, so to save boring you to death, I've actually just speeded this process up by 8, so you've got some type of guide on how long it will actually take. From here, we just want to click on force close, which will close down Kodi, and then we just need to reopen it again. So I've just closed down Kodi, I've just reopened it, And then there we are there. We got the new build. As easy as that. Absolutely spot on. All the best add-ons in one go. Don't forget, if you do like what you see and I have helped you out, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below. That's about it. Till next time, peace out, and I'll see you all later. Ta-da.